Hi friends. Now let us take up the 10th program in our CFG web series. In the previous program, ninth program, we found a limitation. What is the limitation? When we are inputting data for string, we have to enter a single word. However big it is, single word only we have to enter. If you have to enter multiple words, what should you do? You have to press spacebar. If you enter spacebar, internally scanf function is terminated. As soon as you press the spacebar, scanf function is terminated. As far as strings are concerned, in such case, we cannot give multiple word names. If you enter multiple word names, you can type it, but internally everything is messed up. That only I told you to enter multiple words for the previous program and see. Now I am finding out I show you a solution for this. Because normally names means we should not limit. Mohan, Kumar means two words. You cannot make it as a single word. Sometimes we have to enter text. Then obviously it is having multiple words. Multiple words means multiple blank spaces will be there. But whenever you enter blank space means space bar, then scanf function is terminated internally. We cannot enter. That's why in order to overcome that problem, now a special syntax is provided by the C language that you have to see. It is little complex, however, just to remember that one thing you need not remember, one or two programs you perform, automatically you remember that. Now what I told you, percentage, now, so okay, whole thing I write. Scanf, percentages, suppose we are entering a name. We are supposed to write like this. Ampersand is not required. If you give also nothing wrong, but don't give. Okay. Now you can enter a single name like Arun. Arun. No problem. Any single word name you can give. You want to enter Arun Kumar. Arun Kumar. Then what you have to do? Scanf. Don't write percentage. Percentage, yes, you don't write. This one you write. Immediately after that, square bracket you write. Tilde symbol you write. New line sequence you write. Yes, also you need not write. Yes, also you need not write. Then this is a special code. Percentage symbol, square bracket, within that tilde symbol, thereafter new line sequence. Why new line sequence? Actually, what it meant, whenever you press enter key, it represents enter key, then loop is terminated. That means any number of words you can enter. Any number of words you can enter. Whenever you want to terminate, you have to press enter key. That point you have to remember. Already I told you one limitation. Suppose you want to enter a text in place of a string. For string, a text you want to enter, but you do not know how many number of words in that, how many characters are there. Then what to do? This is char text. Okay, but don't be very lavish. 1000. That means up to 999 characters you enter. This limitation is always there. Now you enter words 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 words. Now 7 words you enter. Thereafter you press enter key. Enter key and then all is stored. Okay, that is the meaning of that. Percentage symbol, square brackets, within that tilde symbol, thereafter new line sequence. This you write. You need not write yes. Then multiple word names you enter. As far as possible, you avoid that. For the feel good series, avoid. Later, we go for fast track series. There we develop projects. There you do that. Okay. Now, with this understanding, then proceed with the problem. Program you write on your own. Remember this syntax. Actually, here name 20. Generally, whenever you are entering names, minimum 20 characters you give. That is better. Because unnecessarily, why should you purchase a headache? As for address multiple words, you can give 55 MG Road, MG Road, some Galaxy apartment, Bangalore, pin code, etc. You can give. Even 100 you define, nothing wrong in that. 100 if you define, your total number of characters including blank spaces should be 99 or less than that. You must remember that point. Now we see, actually enter the name, there specific specifier code you have to write and the name you have written, and while writing percentages in printf percentages you write, there is no issue at all. Printf is a highly powerful function, robust function. It does not create any problem. With the scanf only, you should be very careful. Okay. And one more point you have to understand. Here, one word Arun Kumar we entered. No problem. Arun Kumar is printed. And second one, multiple word address you want to enter. Address you want to enter. Then again problem will come. In order to avert that problem, one precaution you have to take. What is that? Second scanf statement onwards. Now you see, before percentage symbol, one space you leave. One space you leave. I don't want to distract, some technical reason is there. Then because of that, that is required. If you don't give that, again it is messed up. So just a few things you remember that. Actually in concept zone I explained. Here I don't want to distract. So you write this program and successfully get. Don't limit to these two strings only. You write half a dozen strings, because by that only you get more practice and your self confidence is crystallized. Thereafter, it is a tool in your hand. You can freely use. With just limit to one program or one string and all that, your knowledge is not crystallized. You never get that much command. It is in a jelly shape. That's why you practice amply. Don't limit to the issues, whatever. Same thing, n number of things you can give, n number of strings you can give. Then you try. If you have any problem, and write to me. And one more thing, if you want the copy of this program, then as I told you already in the description, I am putting the corresponding link. You can download, and after performing the program only you download and then verify. Any problems are there, you can get them rectified.